Hello all, I'm back with my new video and today topic is a negative mind will never give you a positive life. This is a really well said by the anonymous person who said this quotation. It is really true. What is the negative mind? First of all, we have to understand negative mind, which means that when you do something and you start without starting, you start analyzing the fact and everything, and then your analysis is not bad, it is really accurate. But when you start doing a lot of thinking of doing this, uh, thinking if I do this, so what will it will happen, and whatever I'm going to do, maybe the result will not come the way I wanted. So your mindset, if you are not ready to take a risk, then how would you get the positivity, which means how would you get the result which you want in your life? Suppose you are taking a participate in any competition. Without taking a participation, how would you know that you would be getting, maybe you will win it? But what the negative mind people say, what's the benefit to do the participation, to take a participation in this competition? Because I know there is a lot of people, those have a higher approach, they will get the winners. So I don't want to waste my time for doing something. They are not wrong, but what if you do and you will get the success? If you take participation, maybe you will win, because you're you are not believing your own talent, you are just complaining. This is the reason you never get them satisfied from yourself and from your life. Those are very negative. They always find the negativity in others too. They always make the others uncomfortable with their behavior, the way they think, the way they talk, because they always finding the thing to make uncomfortable to others. If someone try to take efforts to do something about their dream, so they will like, first you have to think very carefully, then you know how to take the another step. This is really important. Are you ready to take that risk? I mean, you are okay that you are giving the factors about the truth, but the person should be, if not taking a part, then how would they understand that they have a capability to crack the things or analyze the thing to deal with their own self? So you, negative mindset people will always be unhappy and always make the others unhappy too, and their fear about everything, which make their life miserable, and they misered the others lives too. So it is very important, never think a negative. So it is really important to understand how we can change this thing. Instead of saying no to anything, instead of thinking of any no, your answer will be no. You have to start the answer of thinking yes. How? Like if you want to do something, then you say, I'm going to do this. I know what the result will be. It will be in my favor, and if it's not in my favor, so I know how to do the another method which may convert the favor on my favor, on my side. So this is really important to understand the thing, the way you are taking it, the way you are seeing it, the way you are thinking, and it is give you a result the way you wanted. You learn the art of, if the things will not go in your way, so you will not destroy yourself, you will not upset you will know how to take how to accept all the failures and work on it. And negative people will be destroy themselves, because if they try to do something before they analyze is lot of thing, and then they try to do something, then they get the failure, so they can't digest and they will make their life like a hell. So it is your choice how to deal with the things, how do you think about the things, the life, everything. It is in your hand only. So take the life positive. You have to turn your mindset. Your mindset is the power to change everything. either it's your success, either it's related of your study, either it's related of anything, whatever you are trying to do. Your own mindset give you a power to make the things in your favor. So this is all about the thing. If you are negative and you are thinking negative too much, then you will not get the result that you wanted. Thank you so much.